What is good, guys? It's your boy Rey-Jay back with another video, and in this video I'm going to be talking about what Goldman Sachs has just said about Nio, why they're super bullish, and what their price target is. I'm also going to be talking about some big updates regarding big news for Nio and what the share price has done, as it is up like crazy for the day. Now, before I get started, I do have to mention I'm not a financial legal or taxation expert, so I don't think this is financial legal or taxation advice. Everything in this video is solely for entertainment purposes only. Now, before I get started, guys, look at this crazy day that Nio had. Before I talk about what Goldman Sachs just said, look at this huge run up to $36.64 a share before it dropped a little and closed at $35.99, up over 6.92%. Repeat, 6.92%, almost 7% for the day. That's crazy. Nio is literally killing it, and this is the type of gain I wanted to see after those big pieces of data that came out regarding their deliveries, and this is just huge, okay? Absolutely huge. Now, why on earth did Nio explode the way it did? If I bring up a Bollinger standpoint right over here, you can see that it was above one standard deviation away from the mean price, the upper band, multiple times. But why is this happening? Why did Nio go to $36.64 at its highest and have this good closing? I mean, you could see that it dropped a little bit to $35.80, then ran all the way up almost above the mean price, well above the mean price, almost towards the upper band, closing at $35.99, right below the resistance at 36. So why did it go to 36? Why? It's because of a huge piece of news that just came out right over here. It says that Goldman Sachs upgrades struggling Tesla rival Nio, predicts 60% comeback in the stock. This is not clickbait. Goldman Sachs literally just made the claim. Now, I'm not subscribed to CNBC, but it's basically all over the news, guys. Goldman Sachs has given Nio a price target of $56 a share for the near-term future. They think that very soon, they said soon, it's going to go to $56. They think it's going to make a huge comeback. Now, that's absolutely amazing news for the Nio community, guys. Nio literally has the potential to explode up to 66% up, in their opinion, for the near term future. They didn't say it's going to happen next year or in like a year and a half. They said very soon. So we saw Nio go as high as $54 to $55 not too long ago. Remember that? It was at $55.13. So it's definitely not an unrealistic price target for them to say that in the near term future we could see Nio have a reversal. It has been on this downward trend, but I do believe that we've hit the end of it. I do think the lowest we're going to see Nio going is the low 30s to maybe 33. And I do think that pretty soon when the reversal starts, we're going to see an upward trend just like this. And it should bring Nio to make a big comeback, especially after big things that just came out. So when we see Nio on this downward trend the way it was over the past year, just like this is not Nio's fault. Seeing Nio on this downward trend like this was not Nio's fault. It's because of the global chip shortage. It has to do with the bond prices going up a little bit. Interest rates were going up, which brought institutionalized investors away from EV stocks. There were many factors involved, but Nio is not what caused this. I really cannot stress this enough. Nio is not at fault. Now, why do I say that? But look right over here, okay? I want to repeat this data from their quarterly earnings report. 10,000 vehicles globally in September 2021, a 125% increase year over year. 24,439 vehicles in just 3 months by the end of September 2021, a 100.2% increase year over year. So I know this chart's not the most clear, it's a little bit small for you guys, but you could see their deliveries, their annual deliveries. It's literally going up and up every single month. You could see it just keeps on going up, guys. Nio is literally killing it, and they have all the potential in the world. They put this on their Twitter just recently. This is according to their Twitter page, that the Nio Power Swap 2.0 is the second generation battery swap station equipped with 14 battery swaps, improving battery swapping experience to 312 swaps per year. 312 swaps is absolutely amazing for Nio. Why is that important? It's important because they're improving their customer service. They're literally helping their customers swap way more often, and they're improving the type of batteries they're using as well. Because there's a big change that came out from the 70 kilowatt batteries to 75 kilowatts, just improving their ranges overall. And if you look at their battery swapping technology, they're offering Nio users 517 power swap stations around China to get fresh battery packs installed in about 5 minutes. They've already completed over 4 million battery swaps. This is literally something that would be so cool if it came to the USA. Ever think about that, guys? And imagine if Nio or Tesla started doing battery swaps. Imagine that. Imagine if you could have an electric car, as the electric market is literally becoming huge, and then obviously people don't have time to charge it. So what if you could just replace your battery? Or what if you just something else you could do? This is literally just one of the possibilities. And this may become a new business model for the future: battery swapping technology. People pay a fee, and when they run out of, their car's about to run out of battery, they go to a station, and in 5 minutes, it's faster than when you filled the gas. They literally replace it for you. Imagine if the US had these all over our country. It would not only be better for the environment, it would be absolutely phenomenal if that happens. So this is why I just think that Nio is so innovative. The innovation that came from this company, what they're doing is huge. It's absolutely huge. And the thing to remember is this right over here. The Motley Fool has reported that there are many, many, many big upsides, significant upside potentials for Nio. And that's what Goldman Sachs commented on. They said the ET7 product design looks very, very good. They compared it to BMW. They also mentioned that the ET7 price point is very good and it's going to strengthen Nio's brand. They mentioned that the ET7 evolution looks very, very good, especially the autonomous driving technology on full display with 33 sensors and high resolution cameras. Also, the battery as a service plan. They think that's going to make the price even more competitive. So they're super, super bullish, guys. Goldman Sachs is very bullish on Nio, and that should make you as bullish as well. With that said and done, guys, that's why Nio had that big run, and I do think that the reversal phase is coming soon. Tomorrow, we could see Nio trade within this channel right over here. Let me bring up the one-day chart to make it simple. I think that Nio is going to be in the $35 range tomorrow. Maybe drop a little bit to the mid at 35. That's possible, but I think that we're at the start of a reversal, especially starting next year for 2022, which I think is going to be absolutely amazing for these EV companies. With that said and done, guys, thank you so much for listening. Nio's looking amazing. It's up and coming, and it has bigger price targets coming every single day. I believe the all-time highs are going to come next year. If you give Nio the time, it's going to be huge. Thank you, and have a great rest of the day. I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.